Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to tap on the apps and notifications. Let's tap on see all 57 apps, of course 57 in my case, and now tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on reset up preferences, as this is the option we're looking for, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.